What do you say? What do you Wow, I look very cool as a silent. I better call 2001 to let him know I'm here. Hello, hello, who's this? Hey bro, I'm in Silent Town. Can you let everybody know that I'm coming, that I'm here though? You can do that? Sure, I will let Whelen know to do it on the news. Okay. 3 minutes later at the park. Hey Whelen, Equinox told me that he's here in the town. Is a new siren. His name is Godbuildingsiren. But I call him Equinox. He's the Equinox siren here. Can you do that? Sure, I will do that. I will put it on the news. Okay, thanks. 35 minutes later. Welcome to the news. Today we got a new siren. He got a YouTube channel named Godbuildingsiren, and he is a federal signal Equinox in this town today. Whelen, can you shut up? Wait, let me get done before you say something. No, I need to say this. Ugh, fine, what do you have to say? Listen to everybody listen up. We finally got P-50 locked in jail. So do not let him out. Ha 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 ha. Well, there's a new siren. I'm gonna bully it. But I can't. Because Whalen had put electric fence everywhere. So let me see, is it not electric no more? Ah, it shocked me. It burns. Help somebody. Help me please. Help.